Video to show you how to change out your vacuum belt. This happens to be the Bissell clear view. Okay, on the bottom there's a couple of screws. Just take these out, or a screwdriver, whatever you have. Just take this piece out, and this piece is right here. Attaches right here. This is the wheel. Take this off. The belt is right there. You just pull this piece right out like this. Take this brush off. This is the belt here. Just remove the belt from here like this. Get your new one. Just fish it back in here. Okay, so I put the belt back on to that pulley spindle. You just gotta put this piece like in here. And you just line this up. This piece goes in right here, and then here. Just lift it up and put it back in. Okay, so I put it back on. That's it. Make sure it spins. And that's it. Make sure you put back the covers. And that's how you change out most vacuum belts. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching.